Let's go to number 3. The following diagram shows a sector of a circle where angle AOB equals x radians, and the length of the arc AB equals 2 over x. Given that the area of a sector is 16 centimeter square, find the length of arc AB. This is x. We know for sector area formula equals 1/2 theta r squared. For arc length equals theta times r. So we know the L equals 2 over x. And we can write down this arc length, that means theta times r. So we get theta is x times r equals 2 over x. For sector area, that equals 16. So we get 1 over 2. Theta is x. R squared equals 16. So we get the first equation and a second equation. Then we have a system of equations now. Since I'm looking for arc AB, we need to figure out this x so that we can get the arc length. For first equation, let's solve for r first by cross multiply. So the same line with this r will go to denominator. X times x will be x squared. 1 times 2 will be 2. So we figure out this r. Then we label this is a 3. Then we plug 3 into second equation. You will get 1/2 x. R squared will be 2 over x squared equals 16. Then we simplify. You will get 1 over 2 times x times 4 over x to the 4th power equals 16. Let's simplify. Reduce. You will get the x to the 3rd power. Reduce this. You will get this is a 2. On the left side, you will get 2 over x to the 3rd power equals 16. Then we do cross multiply again. X 3rd power equals 16 go to denominator, here's 2. Then reduce equals 1 over 8. Then we will do the cubic root both sides. You will get the cubic root of 1 over 8. We do know 2 to the 3rd power equals 8. Therefore, the cubic root of 8, that equals 2. Therefore, for x equals 1 over 2. Therefore, for arc length of AB equals 2 over x. That equals 2 over 1 over 2 equals 4 centimeters. Let's go to 4a. Consider the following diagram. The sides of the equilateral triangle ABC have length 1 meter. The midpoint of AB is denoted by P. The circular arc AB has a center M. M is the midpoint of CP. Find the AM. First of all, we will define the variable. Let AM equals R. Because this M is the center of arc AB, so we label as R. Since ABC is equilateral triangle. So we have, this is a 1, this 1, and this is a 1 over 2, 1 over 2. For the equilateral triangle, try to remember the following facts. If we have A as the length of an equilateral triangle, the height will be square root of 3 over 2a. For the height, this is will be the midpoint too. So we have 1/2 a, 1/2 a. And for the area of this equilateral triangle will be square root of 3 over 4a squared. Use these facts. We do know that PC equals square root of 3 over 2 times a, that's times 1, so still square root of 3 over 2. And PM, it's a half of a PC, that is a square root of 3 over 4. So label here square root of 3 over 4. For AP, we already know this is a 1/2. Therefore, use Pythagorean theorem, we can get this R. R squared equals 1/2 squared plus square root of 3 over 4 squared. So we get the 1 over 4 plus square root of 3 squared is a 3. 4 squared is a 16. We will make the same denominator. So we multiply by 4, multiply by 4. You will get 7 as a numerator and a denominator is a 16. Therefore, this R equals square root of 7 over 16. That is a square root of 7 over 4. Let's go to 4b. Find the angle AMP. Let's label this angle is a theta. So define the variable. Let angle AMP equals theta. Then this will be opposite side. This is an adjacent side. So we get the tangent theta equals 1 over 2 over square root of 3 over 4. This is a complex fraction, so denominator will jump. You will get 4 over 2 square root of 3, which means 2 over square root of 3 reduce. Then we go to graphing calculator. You will get theta equals. So we get theta equals 0.857. Let's go to 4C. Find the area of a shaded region. Let's connect BM. This also is a theta. In other words, we know the angle AMB equals 2 theta. That is 2 times 0.857 equals 1.714. This will be the central angle for the sector MBA, and also the included angle for the triangle AMB. So the shaded area A, that equals sector area minus triangle area. According to this sector area, 1/2 theta R squared, we will plug in 1/2. Theta will be 1.714. R squared, AM is R, so we get square root of 7 over 4 squared. That minus 1/2. AM is a square root of 7 over 4. B is the same, square root of 7/4. Then sine theta will be 1.714. Answer will be 0.158 meters squared.